Oh, look at this, guys. Here's your Netflix. Whoa, what a pop on Netflix. There's your huge move up. Now it's coming back in. This is exactly what I was wondering if it's what happened. Let's go to the big board here, guys. So again, Netflix surging to the upside. Look at this move. So again, this is the headline number. Now the question is, can it hold these gains or does it come back in? Right now it's holding these gains. Huge. Look at this. This is that double top. Remember that all-time high, that high up there that we were just talking about on the daily chart? It is just about into this level. Holy cow. That's a big move right there. That is incredible.
Bitcoinzilla stands out with its simplicity and clarity. We've crafted an experience that anyone can dive into, whether you're a crypto expert or just a new to the crypto world. Now guess who keeps his eye on us? The author of best-selling book Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. And we want to take this opportunity and thank all the people who trusted us, and we read every comment. And the best part, it's free. Subscribing now means you will get all new information for free. Don't just follow the trends, stay ahead of them. Subscribe to Bitcoinzilla today and enjoy the new edge. In this video, Gareth Soloway dives into trading Bitcoin during a market rally and shares insights on the buzz around Trump coin. Let's catch his expert take and explore these exciting trends.
If you're a day trader, you're looking to short this double top up here, that would be the play right there. Looks like we just kissed it. But again, day trading earnings is super, super, super risky. But that is fun to behold, guys. Amazing surge. $940 from closing at $870-ish approximately. That is a monster move on Netflix. All right, we got to go to the other charts here. Let's see if UAL is reporting. We're starting to see a little weakness coming in. UAL initially dumped to the downside, getting down to about 105, initially popping. So far, it's back to the flat line. So let's see which direction it goes here. The stock is extremely overbought. But again, so far, a lot of whipsaw here initially, but not much. I want to go back to Netflix, right back to the highs. Look at this level right here. It's hammering. Daily chart, this is this level right here. See this line here? That's that level. Now, if it gets above that, this is your next upsloping. This is your upsloping channel level, which is around 975 or so. But these numbers, again, I don't know what they are yet. This is just hitting the wires, but these numbers are massive. Looks like UAL starting to pop up just a little bit. Let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, again, inching up today. Classic retrace after this little reversal. The question is, can Bitcoin break here? Going to gold today, gold strong day breaking above minor resistance. This opens the door to potentially going up to this double top around 2790 on this chart of gold. And then silver, again, remains much, much weaker than gold here on the charts there. And lastly, again, oil and natural gas. Oil down a little bit, still looking good on the short, although it didn't tag my first target down here. And natural gas is down, nearing major support. But again, this is a support level that I think could actually break to the downside. Now, I'm going fast through things because I want to get back to Netflix, taking a look here. Wow, it's even pushed through this level here on the charts. And again, we'll have to continue to see where that ultimately goes here. But wow, what a move in the after hours, guys.
Bitcoin has edged closer to new all-time highs, but now finds itself in a critical range, leaving bulls with a challenging path ahead. On January 22, Bitcoin's price hovered just shy of record levels, yet analysts warn that a 5% pullback to $100,000 remains a strong possibility. Keith Allen of Material Indicators highlights this key support level, noting that the removal of his substantial liquidity wall around $100,000 has made it a more likely downside target. Meanwhile, resistance at $110,000 looms large, presenting a significant hurdle for bulls to overcome. Traders are keeping a close eye on daily closes above $106,000, which analysts like Rect Capital suggest could pave the way for a historic breakout. Similarly, Dan Crypto Trades emphasizes the importance of patience as Bitcoin remains in a consolidation phase. Despite some choppiness, momentum appears intact, with technical patterns hinting at potential new highs ahead.
But you have 0.75%, 0.6%, and 0.4%. Those are all solid gains for the day. The question is, can we see them once Netflix reports, once some of these other companies report? Will they give good enough and rosy enough reports that we can see continued upside here? So we'll watch that very closely. Oil today down 40 cents on the day, so a little bit of a drop on oil. Gold is up $34. Beautiful rally on gold today. And Bitcoin back to just shy of 107,000. If we go to the charts here, take a look. I went over this today in the game plan. Look at the level here. We have this low here. Let me erase these other lines here. So we have this low, and this low, this high, and this high, and right there. So this, again, to me, tells me the markets are at a very pivotal level. If we break through this tomorrow and the next day, we could be not only headed for double top, but maybe even a new all-time high on the S&P 500. So again, just a couple things to watch. We're right into this level right here. Can the markets break out? We will find out, maybe not in the after hours today, maybe in the after hours with Netflix earnings, or if not, tomorrow for sure. All right, couple other charts to go over here. If we flip over to the QQQ, Qs again are up about 0.6%. You can see it's a move up. We still have a long way to go to get to double top here or this upsloping trend line. But just zooming out, I want to show you where this trend line comes from. This is a beautiful trend line since the COVID low, connecting right through this low and then right through this high leading into the August swoon, and then right there. So this, to me, is a huge epic line on the charts that if we push up into, that would have to be expected to be a major resistance level. Today, Apple falling, but look at this, guys. I gave this level today in the game plan for major support. We day traded it today, and just take a look here, folks. So if we look at the big board and we see what we have on this chart, right? So we have Apple from $260 down to $220 right there. Look at this low here and this gap fill. That is major. You also have that little pivot point right there. Today, we pierced that level. Again, I told you guys in the game plan this morning that was going to be a short-term bounce level, or most likely a bounce level. And sure enough, Apple has rallied up. And my guess is this is a 15% drop in price over a course of basically 3 weeks. We should get some sort of retrace bounce, maybe back here, or maybe even a retrace to the scene of the crime there, before we see that next bigger rollover to the downside. So short-term positive on Apple here on the chart.
Solana's price has been on a remarkable rally, driven by a combination of technical momentum and growing network activity. Currently trading at $257, Solana has gained over 9% in the past 24 hours and an impressive 35% over the last week. This surge aligns with broader market trends as Bitcoin stabilizes above $105,000, boosting confidence across the crypto ecosystem. One key factor behind Solana's rise is a significant uptick in network usage. The blockchain has processed a surge in transactions, fueled by the recent hypes surrounding memecoins like official TRUMP and MELANIA, which brought renewed attention to Solana's ecosystem. The total value locked, TVL, on Solana has also soared, reaching an all-time high of $12 billion, underscoring its expanding DeFi footprint. Additionally, speculation about the approval of a spot Solana ETF has amplified bullish sentiment. Analysts predict such an ETF could attract billions in institutional investments, further propelling Solana's price toward new heights. With robust fundamentals and technical indicators supporting continued growth, Solana is capturing the spotlight as one of the market's most promising assets. CLS Global, a UAE-based crypto financial services firm, has pleaded guilty to manipulating the market for a token secretly created by the FBI to expose fraudulent activity. The token, NextFundi, NEXF, was designed to attract bad actors involved in pump-and-dump schemes. CLS admitted to engaging in wash trading, inflating the token's trading volume to mislead investors into believing it was more popular and valuable than it truly was. The scheme unraveled as the FBI, posing as scammers, worked with CLS to manipulate the token's metrics. The plea deal requires CLS to pay a $428,059 fine, forfeit funds held on Binance and KuCoin, and prohibits the firm from participating in U.S.-based crypto transactions for 3 years. This groundbreaking case highlights the FBI's innovative methods to combat fraud in the crypto space, using NextFund data as a trap for bad actors and exposing vulnerabilities within the industry. If you've been with us so far, a big thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for free to Bitcoin Zella for your daily news. The link is waiting below. That's all for today's crypto news. Stick around for more updates, insights, and analysis on cryptocurrencies. Share your thoughts in the comments, like this video, and subscribe for more exciting content.